Updating your primary email on your Apple ID is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account information is current. Step 1. Sign into your Apple ID. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open a password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Access account settings. Once signed in, locate the account section. Here, you will find options related to your personal information. Step 3. Edit your email address. Click on Edit next to the Reachable section. This will allow you to change your primary email address. Step 4. Enter new email. Input the new email address you wish to use as your primary Apple ID. Make sure it is a valid email that you have access to. Step 5. Verify your new email. After entering the new email, Apple will send a verification email to that address. Check your inbox and follow the instructions in the email to confirm the change. Once you have completed these steps, your primary email on your Apple ID will be updated. Regularly check your account settings to keep your information accurate and secure.